Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize data exploration with Jupyter Notebooks step by step clearly. Open your Jupyter Notebook environment. Create a new notebook by selecting New and then Python 3 from the drop-down menu. Import the necessary libraries for data exploration, such as Pandas and Matplotlib. Load your dataset into the notebook using Pandas. Use the read_CSV function to read the data file. Display the first few rows of your dataset with the .head method. Check for any missing values in the dataset using the .isNull.sum method. Perform basic statistical analysis with the .describe function. Visualize your data using Matplotlib or Seaborn for more insights. Create scatter plots, histograms, or box plots to identify trends and distributions. Use the .groupby method to summarize data by categories. Filter your dataset for specific conditions using Boolean indexing. For feature selection, identify correlated features using the .crr method. Utilize Jupyter's Markdown feature to annotate your findings and keep the notebook organized. Use widgets to create interactive visualizations for deeper insights. Save your notebook regularly to avoid losing work. Export your analysis results and visualizations as needed using the provided Jupyter export options. Finally, document your process and observations in the notebook for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.